I'm Lee Erimez, the Music Business Programme Leader at Point Blank Music School, London. When you start the programme at level 4, students will learn about things like the recording industry, music publishing, intellectual property and copyright, music management. The idea is that everyone gets a taste of all of those kind of main areas of the industry. Into level 5, where there's a lot more of the business management and branding, digital marketing, promoting. Students get a chance to do things like manage artists, help them to either start or improve their social media profile, making electronic press kits, websites, absolutely tons of stuff to do with collaborating basically with others. By level 6, you're looking at building a business portfolio. And you could hand it over to an investor or an employer, and they could look at your portfolio and get a very, very clear idea that you really understand, the sector that you're specialising in and that you are absolutely worth employing or investing in.
The recording industry module oversees recorded music, how record labels work, recorded music rights holders in general, and how that entire side of the industry operates. People are diversifying their companies. Where they were originally just a management company, they are now a management and a label. Where they were originally a label, they're now bringing on booking agencies or being publishers as well. And so now more than ever, having that knowledge across the industry is super important.
There are so many lecturers here at Point Blank who are still heavily involved in the industry. We also obviously have a lot of industry connections. There's a wealth of people externally coming in all the time to do workshops, masterclasses. It's just a really fantastic, exciting and vibrant place to be.
Just say yes to as many things as you possibly can. Your contacts that you make at Point Blank are going to be ones that you probably will speak to 20 years down the line. That is going to be one of the most important things about coming here, because those connections, you're not going to make them anywhere else.
Assuming that somebody wants to work in the music industry, they should be incredibly passionate about it. Rarely do people get where they want to get to in this business without working hard. And building up a good reputation in the music business can take a long time. And that starts at Point Blank without question.